Okay, we are here at Sungayan Grill in Bolinao Pangasinan, Philippines. We're waiting for our food, so I figure while we're doing that, let's take a little walk around the area. We've never been here, but I've looked it up on Facebook on their page. They say that you can do river floating kubo river lunches, whatever the hell you want to call it, where you can just get on one of these little floating kubos and float down the river and have dinner and lunch, what have you. So, the bathrooms. Walk out here by the river and take a little sneak peek. We're just going to do the dine-in. We're not going to try to go down the river or anything. Plus, I think you got to have a group of people when you do that. Not entirely sure, but it only makes sense that you have a group of people. Please do not leave belongings inside. Okay. So yeah, floating kubo is right here. So you attach these to a small boat, I guess, and then they'll pull you down the river, and you can sit out and have your meal as you're doing that. I think it would be pretty cool if you had, you know, a party of X amount of people and a special occasion. Absolutely. Just a gorgeous day out here today. It would be a nice day to go down the river for sure. But figure for our first time, we'll just kind of keep it simple. We're out riding today on the scooter, and we went to the lighthouse a little while ago, and then we're just gonna head up to Bolinao, in the downtown Bolinao, and then head back to Alameda City. We're just doing a full day of it because there's a power outage all day. They're working on whatever, I don't know what the hell they're working on. Penelco Electric Company. So we're out and about. Pretty cool. There's the parking lot over there. Smells good. So I'm getting the sizzling pork sisig. I'm getting some calamari. And can't remember what Eden's getting. Not entirely sure. But maybe we'll flip on the camera and show you what we got once it gets here. I'm sure it's good, whatever it is. This place has a pretty decent reputation. Wow, look at this. Pretty sweet. The walkway coming in from the parking lot, you just come on up. You can park your scooters underneath that awning straight ahead there. That's where we parked ours. You can kind of see some scooters parked over there. That's where we parked, and then we just walked on up here. And as soon as you get up here, they'll greet you and basically take your order right here, and then they'll seat you. It's a little bit different than your traditional restaurant experience where they take your order at the table. Here they take it right take it right here. There's the menu. And then right out to where we sit. More seating. And once again, the river. Yep. Sungayan Grill. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. I think I am. Nice place. We'll see how the food goes. Anyways, that's about it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will talk to you soon. Take care. Alright, bye-bye.